Alright, Mo Mummy. Be nice to us tonight. Excited to play this game. Let's go. 5-cent denom. First spin. It's close. Oh, that's a big one. Always looks like it's gonna pop, but okay. One more row would have been crazy, but back to our original 200. Let's hit all three of them, why not? Nope. Huh? He's saying something over there. He's saying keep the tomb closed. Okay. Nope. Go back down a little bit. What is that gonna do? Okay. If it wants to do something, you can do it. All three. Oh, that was a chance to get all three. Why not? Those are the progressives. Just in case when we hit it. Okay. Move down a little bit and see what it does. Good. 450. Come on. No. No. Come on, Mr. Mummy. That's a good one. No. And no. Go to 1 cent. See if this will be nice to us. What is that size is? Just go all the way up. One by one. Okay. We never got the bonus in this game, so I'd like to. Okay, well done. Okay, come on, please, a green one. Green one, right? That's what we need. Come on. Okay, that's a good one. Not one more? Okay. I think that does it, right? Yeah. At least we got one green one. I wanted to see this feature, so $7.50. Alright, cash collected this thing. Press start to go. Let's do it. You want to see it? So we change it to this way and it's a little bit better. Okay. Now let's get them a lot more frequently. Green. Oh, that's a good green one right there. $75 million. I'll take it. Okay, come on, sir. A little bit more of those. Okay, okay, okay. In the middle somewhere. All right, that one was nice in the middle. You can do it, little buddy. Come on. The Universal Monster. Okay, I'm a big fan of your. Oh, okay, 2. So I think that 1 transfers to the next situation, right? And we still got 2 spins. So that's cute. All right, big. And then we start with 1 on this one. Okay, so now just 3 more with 5 spins. This is very doable, Mr. Mummy. Come on. Oh, those in the middle. Oh, minor. That's cute. What is that? 30 bucks. And 750. All right, all right. Harvard's a little off center. Let's go. Oh, okay. Some big ones in the middle? Come on. Can they drop the grand on this? That would be crazy. Okay, so 2 extra magical spins. 5. Let's go. Oh, in the middle. Oof. Oof, oof, oof. Come on, buddy. 15 million. Okay. More? Okay. You can drop the maxi in there. I wouldn't mind. Okay, that's a lot of money, but... Oh, the green's running out. That's what you're telling me. The greens are running out, but... Okay, just add a lot of those little gold ones in the middle, I guess. No, I didn't say none. Okay, there you go. Oh. Okay, not bad, not bad. Okay, more. That's $1 million, I think, almost. Oh, 1. Wah, wah. Little too late, but still a good bonus. Can't complain. Slow clap, thank you, sir. Slow clap, I'll take it. That deserves a round of applause, I would say. It's pretty good. Can't complain. Couple of backup spins now. All right, on to the next one.